Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out this Gardenreet Landscape lighting with features a 72-inch lead wire. This goes with usually a plug-in 12-volt lighting. Comes separately, but this has the long cord, and this is a solid brass finish. So this is, super heavy duty here. So we're going to be doing an installation of this as well. Basically, this is going to clamp on wherever. You can aim this to whichever direction you want. This tightens up with an Allen key. Take this off and we can put our bulb right in here. So you can aim these up on a tree or something, just different aspects. This is like a pretty heavy duty landscape lighting. So it just plugs right in there like that. And then this goes in there. This is waterproof. Since it is brass, you don't have to worry about this getting damaged with rust and stuff like that. So that is really nice. This features pretty much IP5 or 6. Basically, it's going to work unless you submerge it underwater. And even then, this thing's nice, has a featured little glass there as well. So we can just either screw this into our fence. It does come with the screws and an Allen key, and also a water protective connector there, so we can connect our wires. So you can connect these in series as well, so you can have multiple of these. Either shining up on your house makes a nice casting that light there, or up on a tree, on the sidewalk, anywhere you want. This can aim this any way that you like. So let's go set this up outside and show you how it looks at night. All right, friends, so I'm going to be installing this light, I think right about here, and then we can hide our wire under the ground here. So depending on where I want to put it, I think I'd put it up on here or shining down on the ground, wherever is convenient. So you can just move that out of the way, get one of our screws here, and simply just screw this in right here, hopefully. There we go. Get our hole started, and we can just screw this in right here. Okay, and then we can go with the other one. Screw that in. All right, and this can be tightened down. Basically adjusted however we want it to be. But I think I just want to shine this on the ground right here, like a little path. Then we can bury our line under the ground here and attach it to our transformer. So we'll run that along the foundation here and just cover it up with rocks. Super easy to bury. You connect all your different lines there, and really easy to install there. So we'll just run our wire up underneath here, and then we'll show you how it looks at night. But it's pretty much as easy as that. Just screw in a couple screws, tighten it down how you want it, and if you want to, wherever you want the light to shine. I got kind of a pathway over here, so that's where it's going to be. We'll check it out tonight, see how it looks. Okay friends, so here is this light here. Have it hooked up, and you can see it casts a nice little light right there. And we can adjust this too. So if I want this showing up on something, like up on my address or anything like that, or if you have a tree, you want to shine it up into the tree so it looks pretty neat, and just adjust it basically any way that you want to. But looks really nice. Thanks so much for watching, my friends.